Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode, where are we at tonight? 400 and change, I think. 432, yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on this awesome Tuesday night. I hope you're having a great time. Now, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, you know what to do, right? Hit that, make sure you subscribe, hit that like that button, that like. If you subscribe, hit that like and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to the amazing articles that we cover here. I'm forgetting stuff. I know. Probably got said that you should comment if you're live, and if you're catching the replay, you should just leave a comment after, right? So yeah, that's it. Let's go to the market, man. Again, not a great market day today, right? A lot of stuff is moving sideways. Hey Steve, how's it going, man? Tonight's stream might be short. That's all I can say. I'm not sure. Feeling odd today. It's an odd day. It was good in the morning. Right now it's shitty. XRP is still going down, so I exited most of my XRP. Actually, I exited all of my XRP. Trying to see whether or not it should be going in again. Right. Had a bad day? Yeah. It's yeah, it's I still got work to get it finished. That's why I need to move quickly though. Every morning's at work, yeah, it happens sometimes. What do I have with market? Yeah, hidden bullish. Trying to go higher, but failing to go higher than the previous high, thus showing weakness. We seem to be stalling here and starting to move down slightly. Yesterday we did gain 0.42%, approximately $2.35 billion. Right now moving down 2.53. So we were losing more than we gained yesterday already. 0.45% to the downside. And neutral at 57.28 on the RSI. You get into a yelling match with a customer? Wow, it sucks, bro. Don't do that. You're just going to stoop down to their level and then they're going to beat you with experience. Isn't that the way it goes? What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Starting to go high again. Yay. Coming lower again. We're seeing some of that bearish divergence develop here. Hidden on dominance, right? High, low, positive, more positive. But we really don't care a lot for analysis and dominance. It's getting dominance yesterday, 0.41. Today, gaining 0.34, meaning the other coins are probably going down. Bitcoin right now at $19,430 and 68 cents. Where did we go last night? We wicked above this area. We're already rejecting today. We got to a high of 19,500. We're rejecting that zone. We did move down, move back up. You know, we're seeing indecision happening. Like I said, there's going to be a tough resistance to get above. Once we get above, we could try to clear that area. If not, we could be moving down on that. Still yet to be determined. No, yesterday we did move down slightly and then pull back up. That was fine. Really trying to determine what Bitcoin's going to do. I mean, if Bitcoin goes to the moon, it might spark a new... If Bitcoin breaks 19,999, it could spark a new rally. Right? FOMO, people FOMOing in. XRP very, very close to where I exited, so I'm not super excited for it yet. I do have an entry level. I'll talk about that once we get there, but let's go to... We're neutral at, bought at 60.44 on the RSI. That's about it, though. Not a lot going on. High, low, positive, negative, high, low, right? So let's go to the 4 hour. Again, we're still getting that sideways motion. What do we have in the 4 hour? Bearish divergence, that was live. Then we moved down to the next candle, yay, and then we took a pop, and now we're going down again. And what's happening on that pop? Look at this. I mean, this could just, you can just track on that from there to there. That'll be fine, actually, The only reason I'm doing it like this is because we now have it against the RSI. We didn't have it before, right? So I just want to show that. So I have it against the MACD there, strong bearish, and now we also have it against the RSI. Strong bearish, action to downside, our resistance, 19,496. We talked about that, dude, it's just not doing much, right? It's just been boring, micro moves throughout the day. Since yesterday, we're more or less almost probably about the same price that we're looking at. So neutral at 60.56 on the RSI. Sorry, bought at 60.56 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, looking for bearish divergence. We're live here at 9 p.m. here, this candle. Look at what happened right after we finished the stream. Oh man, nasty tank. I told you I wasn't super confident that we're going to break above this level. We did break here slightly for a couple hours and then move back down. Again, we're tested today. Moving down high, higher, positive, was positive, high on the RSI. To a lower point. Again, bearish divergence still at play with Bitcoin. Not being able to shake it off. Not super confident about this yet. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out. Low, high, negative, less negative, right? We don't have anything bullish yet. Even against the RSI. The only good thing is we're neutral at 54.17. We're trying to figure out where we're going to go. So for Bitcoin, let's go and check out Ethereum. Ethereum at $585.96. Again, sideways motion. Yesterday we managed to gain very little, 0.49% today. We're losing already 0.52%. We gapped up and we moved down, and we were lower than yesterday's opening. So again, not a lot going on. Hidden bullish still in play. Again, sideways motion between that 602 to 547 area. That's fine. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Neutral on their side, 55.87. The 4-hour chart, bearish divergence again, right? Action to downside. What do we get? Moving down right after we ended the stream. Then we try to recover like Bitcoin. Now we're going lower. Here we just failed to go higher. And the spirit is high. So that's fine. High to low, positive was positive. You know, not a lot to go on here. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI to higher point. Sitting neutral at 54.48 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1 hour, last thing we had was this bullish divergence hidden. We've taken that pump, right? And I'm not sure if we had this by last night, but yeah, I don't think we had it, man. 'Cause this is technically slightly lower, and that's why we didn't call it. So high, low, positive is positive, high, and there's a lower point. I want to check another chart just to make sure it remains right. Look at this. This is so close to this line. And this is definitely much lower, right? So we don't have that. I was looking for some bearish divergence. Obviously, we don't have it. And now here, look, high, low, positive is positive, high on the RSI, lower point, nothing there. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point, nothing there. Now, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. There's really nothing going on with Ethereum, just neutral again. Sideways motion, we're just getting consolidation. This could start to look a little bit like a triangle now. If we really just wanted to chart this, again, this is technically slightly higher, so this will look like we're moving sideways right now, and that's fine. Then here on the bottom part, you know, it will look like an ascending triangle over the larger time scale. But if we wanted to go on the shorter time frame from here to here, we would obviously be downsloping a little bit more, right, like that. So that's it, dude. Not a lot happening. I'm actually gonna get rid of those lines. I don't like them there. They're gonna get me confused with you know, with the stuff that I'm calling here. So on that note, let's go and check out XRP, man. XRP, yay! It has not triggered my alert. See, I triggered my alert here. I exited right at that red line. We did get slightly above it, got above below it. Getting above this blue line, that's why I have my alert there still. Would, for me, indicate that we could really move to that 47 mark, 47.5. And that's the play I'm going to try to be making here for a 3% gain, I think it is. I think I measured this already. So 3.7% gain. And then exit again. Right now it's below my previous entry, which was here. And again, XRP did move down to the bottom of the channel. Right now it's breaking below 45.83. Right now it's sitting at 45 on the dot almost. And the move could really get XRP down here to the 37-cent mark. That's why I exited, right? I don't want to. If it breaks this channel, downsloping channel, it could really just move all the way down here. Right now, what I'm praying is that it finds support here. It tries to get above this level. I find my in, rallied it to here, see how it's behaving by the time it gets to that 47.54 area. If it gets above there, we have the 50% retrace to look forward to. And if it gets above there, it's all good. It can come to 54 cents, and I'll be happy. But, you know, each of these area for me is a warning sign that we might reject and move down again. Because XRP is just freaking bearish. Right? That's just what it's doing. It's not doing much on the day. Look at it. It's like, I'm too weak to do stuff. I did the best I could. I'm XRP, and I took my pump, and now I'm just freaking losing value. I've lost over 40% of my value. You know, that's what I'm seeing when I see XRP. Look, it got to like 75 cents, so I'll take it from there. Maybe I'll be kind. I'll give it 72 cents, and then I'll go to where it's currently at. It's 38% drop. None of the other cryptos have dropped that much. Really, dude. Bitcoin dropped 17%. It recovered. It's near its all-time high still. Ethereum's also dropped a little bit, but it's also recovered. Again, near the $600 area. And XRP is just the only coin that is doing nothing. That's just so freaking annoying, man. And you. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Sorry, I just forgot on my XRP rant. Because I'm getting fed up with that project, bro, for sure. It's just one annoying thing after the next. It's just failing to perform consistently. You know, I'm tired of it, right? We're right now at 44.8. Wow, we're still moving low. I really hope this tanks all the way down here. I can find probably another in. If it moves down here quickly, we might get pullback. I'll try to scalp a position. That's just how I'm going to play it. XRP got baggage, bro. Lots of baggage. Convert to ADA. At least you can stack. Yeah, dude, stake ADA. Yeah, maybe, dude. I'm thinking about it. The exchange I'm at, it doesn't have it, so I would have to like transfer it to a coin, probably XRP because it's the cheapest to transact with, and then you send it to another exchange and buy back in into another project. But I really want for this to tank, so I can buy back in at this level. Here it would be like if I was saving like a 20% discount, basically, or a 17% discount, right? 16% drop, 17% drop. That's how much I would be saving, and then I would be trying to see if it's gonna find support and ride it back up, and that could for me be a good move. So if it goes from here to here, it'll be a 22% gain, right? And that's the move I want to play. But that's assuming this is gonna drop. Now it's just hanging around that 45-cent mark. I really do hope it just tanks through it. I'm fed up with XRP right now. You know, I've been hodling for a long term. A lot of guys know about this. I've hodled it. I even got rid of my hodl bag. I just, like, you know, I'm fed up with that project, dude. That's how ticked off I am. Because that bag was just sitting there losing value. And right now I was able to exit the position, all of my position, with a profit. So that's fine. I'm happy about that. But, you know, it's just taking a long time to be able to exit with profit. I could have exited here with more of a profit. But I was really hoping that we're going to hold on to something around this area. You know, the 11th drop was fine. I was really, like, again, you know, we were expecting that. I was waiting for this to climb back up, but, you know, it's just been dropping over the last couple days. So for me, it's just, you know what, let's get out of here, man. I'm done with it, at least for the short term. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour, bearish divergence, right? We had that yesterday, 2 days ago. Action to downside, right? We did move down. Again, I was hoping that we're going to find support. Why is this not loading properly? There we go. Have the Bollinger Bands hidden. I'll bring them out again. We're below the 20, you know. Still rejecting. Still below that area. That's just a freaking joke, you know. Bearish divergence, you know, playing us down. That's fine. Sold at 26.91. The only thing I'm seeing right now, it is this strong bullish divergence. That's the only kind of glimmer of hope that we have for XRP. And that assumes that, sorry, 1 second. Right, sorry. XRP, right? Just fed up with it, man. Still in downtrend, pushing down, right below that area. You know, the only glimmer of hope it has is this strong bullish. It doesn't have it against the RSI. It's just oversold at 27.03. That could be a reason for this to move back up, but it really needs to move above that 45.83. This 45-cent area, that was my exit. That's just a psychological support. We really don't have a lot of support at that area. So I'm really looking for that movement down. Look, even back here, whenever we manufactured the support here, right, we can say we're trying to maybe hold on to something here. But if we lose that, we might have something here, and then it's just a straight shot to a 37 cent mark. So really, I'm just hoping for this move to get down here, try to buy back in. And, you know, we've just been moving through the channels. Look, channel, down, channel, up, channel, right, down, up to the channel, down to the channel, up to the channel, broke it, moved down. Here we failed to recover, moved down again. Now we've moved through this small channel, breaking through it. And that's it, man. I'm really just hoping that we move through this channel, and that's going to be fine. Because that's all XRP is doing, right? It's not doing anything. It's just boring. It's trying to go back to its comfort zone at a quarter. It wants to get its old value back. It believes that a quarter is so valuable. It's a stable coin pegged to a quarter, and it just wants to go back there forever and ever and for all eternity until everyone turns to dust and XRP is left without trading or just bots trading it at 25 cents. That's what it wants to be. Anyways, what's happening with XRP on the 1 hour chart? Had bullish divergence, action to the upside, hitting that mid part of the channel, rejecting, right? Found support here, weakly enough, try to get up, again, rejection, and moving down again, you know, just boring AF. One of my little indicators was telling me to buy here, right? It told me buy XRP at this candle. This is a 5-minute mark, by the way. And I was tempted. I said, like, might recover. We're getting above the 20. Could be a good thing. And then I seen it, and then it starts to do this little thing, and I'm like, I'm glad I haven't bought yet. You know, it told me to sell way up here at like 47 cents. I wasn't looking at this at 3 in the afternoon, but you know, it would have been a good out probably, and then just like ridden it all the way down. It would save me like a couple cents. So it's fine. What's happening on the 1 hour? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower point. Nothing bullish. All we managed to do with this is get from oversold to sold so we can drop back down again. And probably that's what's going to happen. So that's it, dude. Just sitting oversold at 29.42. Let's go to Litecoin because XRP is just freaking annoying. I'm sorry, if you're one of the guys that comes here liking XRP, that's fine. I like XRP. I don't have anything wrong with it. You know, I like the project. I like what they're doing. I've hodled it for a long time, but today it's just like, you know, it's just like the drop that spilled the glass. I'm just freaking fed up with it, man. Could you live off with your profits? I make trading, just curious. Well, that's why I'm getting back into stocks in the morning, Andrew. Because I'm finding some stocks that have a lot of volatility right now. Particularly since the market's heavy and moving down, so I'm doing more of day trading in the morning. And I'm not like a super, I'm not super, how do we say this? I'm like not super greedy when I trade. I'm going for a very small strategy. It's just like, you know, try to get a consistent 3 to 5% gain a day, right? So I'll run you through a small exercise I made. There's days that you're not going to make 3%. There's days that you're going to make 6%. There's days that you're going to take a hit, you know. But if you try to average a 3% a day gain, you could be doing really good really quick. And this is a strategy. Let's say you have $100, which obviously is not a recommending starting price. But I'll just tap it to, you know, something real. Let's say you're going to get to with 560, right? Like the guy from Warrior Trading. By the way, if you don't know who Warrior Trading is, it's a guy who started with $560 in his account, and in like 3 years or 2.5 years, he made $1 million, and that's all he started doing day trading. He started using leverage. For me, that leverage, it's I don't want to use leverage. He was using 20 times leverage. For me, that's too much. I would just rather buy and sell. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but you know, he had his good days, he had his bad days. He's documented everything. But this is a quick exercise. Let's say you put $500 at a 3% return rate every day. And let's say you just go in the market, right? Regular stocks, 24 days a month, more or less. By month 1, right, you would have $1,000. You would be earning $33 every day that you trade. Is that a lot? No. By month 2, right, you would be earning $2,200, and you would be making $67 a day. Is that a lot? Probably still not. Now, by month 3, you would be having $4,137. That's supposing you every day you earn 3%, you know, which, of course, will likely not happen. There's going to be days that you take a hit, days that you go in. So this is what I'm going to be measuring myself again and see how I'm doing, right? This is like something I'm doing on a personal basis. I'm not going to talk about this very much here on the stream. Unless I start, like, you know, to, like, hit all the targets, I might start to, like, you know, do a day stream in the morning. Talking about stocks and what I'm playing with, but you know, that's about it. Month 4, you would have 9,000 in your account. Remember, you started with 560. You were making $278 a day. Is that a good salary? Probably for a lot of people, might be a good salary per day. Now at 5, right? At month 5, you would be making $18,000. You would be making $566 a month just by trading that. Like every time, it's gonna get harder because you gotta move more money to be able to get that return. The guy that I'm telling you about, the guy at Warrior Trading, he makes like $20,000 a day. He loses $20,000 a day. You know, he takes big hits, dude. I've seen him take hits. But it is he has his own strategy. It's fine. I don't like it. He's too aggressive for my taste. I'd rather play more conservative. And like I said, dude, I'm not going for like insane gains a day. I'm just going to like for like a 3%. By month 6, again, 38,000, you'll be making $1,150 a day. by that time, if you don't want to trade daily, if you don't want to trade every 15 days, you'll be making like $15,000 dollars a month, right? That would be a comfortable salary for a lot of people. But let's say you just keep on trading and keep on trading. By the time you get to month 12, if you did this consistently, Excel is not even showing it, but you would have like $2 million and $81,000 a day. That's a lot of money to move. That's unrealistic. No one's gonna get that. But you know, this is just a quick exercise. Of course, there's days that you're not gonna make money. There's days that you're gonna make money. This is just a quick, you know, thing about how things are gonna move or could move. And I would say a realistic point would be maybe here, like you're trading $17,000. You're trying to get 3%. You might get $500 a day. You know, it'll take you a while to get up, right? That's the power of compounding. Yes, Steve, that's the power of compounding because you're reinvesting everything. But this is what I'm talking about. In 3% moves, you can get a lot of them in the market, right? So I'll show you something real quick. Incredibly difficult to pull it off. Not that hard. We've gotten, because I'm doing this also with my dad and my brother, we've gotten some consistent days that we've gotten like 3%, and there's days that we just don't take positions. Like today we didn't take a position because the market wasn't that good. We didn't lose money, we didn't earn money, but you know, at least we are, we're doing this, and we'll get together in the morning and just have a chat. I'm working here, and you know, we'll discuss the market. So it's something I can do in the morning without having to be stuck there consistently. Yeah, that's why I said it's unrealistic to think about it that way. But let's say that by the end of year one, you might have made $70,000, right? On your $500 investment. That would be fairly good. That's a year's salary for a lot of people. So, and then let's say that by year two, you're probably making like $200,000 to $300,000 that year. On top of your so over your 87,000, so you know that's still a pretty good salary, and that's assuming you're not really taking pay from that. You're not moving money out of there, right? That would mean that you have your day job, you're still making money, and this you're doing it as a side business until you just have enough to you can actually trade, take money out to pay yourself a salary, and just keep on trading, and you still have to have enough for when you get the bad months, right? Because you're gonna get bad months, you're gonna get bad weeks. We're just gonna take a hit every time. And you gotta roll with those punches, right? You're not gonna have the comfort of a day-to-day salary that you know it's gonna be there. No one's gonna take it. You're gonna have to go out and really fight and hunt for your money because that's the way it's gonna roll. Let me do Litecoin. I'll show you what I was looking at today in the morning. Litecoin moving down, right? Yep. So again, rejection of the 50. That's fine. We talked about that yesterday. Neutral at 52.25. Hey, Crypto Boomer, how's it going, man? I did see you. Sorry I didn't say hi. I was on a rant. How about that KP3R? I'm gonna look at that. So for sure, man. We are pushing the price of Ethereum now. That's awesome, dude. Right, so moving down again, not a lot going on here on the daily. The 4 hour again, bearish divergence, moving down in that. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, side to higher point, nothing there. Neutral at 49.22. The 1 hour chart, high, low, negative, more negative, low, lower, negative, or low on there, side to lower point, nothing there. Neutral, sorry, sold at 39.47. That's about it for Litecoin. I mean, I'm not going to be hunting for a lot here. Low, lower, low, lower, negative, less negative. That's fine. You know, because we do have this island here that we got to respect. So, on that note, let's go check out Binance. Binance on the daily. Low, lower, right? Low, lower, low, lower. That's fine. Moving down again with the rest of the other projects. That's fine. The 4 hour. Low, high, right? We had the bearish divergence. Broke down that. Breaking below 20. Negative momentum starting to build. Low to high. Negative. Less negative for sure. What is this? 510374. Then low on their side to higher point. So nothing there. Just neutral at 52.90. Yuma is pumping. Sure, dude. We'll look at Yuma. BNT looking good. Was listening to Coinbase Pro. Bought a bag of 6 in the morning for 150. Dumped in the first half hour trading Coinbase Pro at 320. That's pretty cool, bro. Let's go to Binance in the 1 hour. Again, had the bearish divergence, moved down, rejected the 20, moved down, rejected the 20 again, moving down still. Low, lower, negative, less negative. We're starting to create some of that strong bullish divergence that we're looking for most of the time to try to determine that the market might do a U-turn and try to move to the upside. Now we are starting to get that here. Lead this from here to here. And we don't have it against RSI, just sitting sold at 37.16. Would that mean that XRP is still dropping? Yeah, still around that same area, right? 45, 40, yeah. So I'm still right where I exited, more or less, so, you know, whatever. Let's go and check out what I was looking at today that I told you guys about. What was it? ANCN. Was for sure one of the ones that we were playing around with. It was a good day. I mean, like, we didn't take any positions, but we were just, like, you know, testing out the strategy still. So it was fine. There are plenty of opportunities for a 5% gain here, right, throughout the day. I didn't do anything at the opening. It did start to move down throughout the day. Here was a 5% gainer, or yeah, 4.97, right, at least. Here was another 3.5% gainer, right? Here's another 3.2. Here's another 5. Here's another 2.5. You know, so there were plenty of opportunities. This could have actually been turned into a 5% or even a 20% to the top. So there are opportunities in some small stocks that you got to trade with care. This was worth $2.88 at closing. Let's do BCDA. This was also one of the ones that I was looking at today. Most of the trend was up throughout the day. That was fine. I didn't look at it early. I started looking at this later in the day. It's around here, 11 in the morning. Again, it did pose a gain here, 5%, and then here again another one for approximately 3.9. Again, so yeah, there are stocks that you could take plays. The market wasn't really giving a clear read after it had topped. That's why I didn't go in. And this one I wasn't sure because, you know, we're kind of flattening out here. Starting to move down below 20. It did move up slightly, and I wasn't sure whether or not I was going to trigger. And it just like shot to the upside real quick. Again, this is one minute, right? Everything that we're seeing here is 1 minute, so it's very quick. Decisions have to be made very, very quick. So by the time you want to get in here, if you missed it, you're already up here. And by that time, the next minute, you know, if you didn't get in, you're already not taking that percentage, and your risk to the downside is higher. Crypto Boomer, I think XRP is going to look for a floor around 30 cents, maybe 25. But yeah, 30. It has something around 37, and that's what I'm actually looking for right now, Boomer. I talked about that on my XRP rant earlier because I was super pissed at XRP. 44.8. Yay, keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. I want XRP to go to like the fucking floor, man. Sorry if I cursed. I'm just pissed off at XRP right now because it's just not performing. It's underperforming, man. It's such a good project to be underperforming so bad, man. Steve, I have around 40 cents. Wow, that's pretty good. Coming down, right? So what's going on here? Again, like I said, target at 37, right? That would be the next target. We are within the downsloping channel. We can try to find support here. If we lose it here, and then if we lose it there, we do have something here at 32. And then, you know, with the 20s, right? So the areas that we don't want to go to. So I'm careful right now. I've taken profit. I'm happy. I've exited all of my XRP. I only have my Bitcoin open and a couple of the other projects that I have, like RSR, DVT, and you know, such projects. But that's about it, though. Now let's go through the requests. ADA, that was the first one. Let's check out ADA. What's ADA doing, man? Dude, it's not automatically adjusting. There we go. Oh, Steve, where do we go, man? Where do we go, Steve? Where we called it? $14.99. 14.99 cents, dude. That's about it, right? We talked about that yesterday. Heading back to this area, that's fine. We're finding support, trying to bounce. Let's go check it in the shorter time scales. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on their side to a higher point. Neutral at 53.07. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour, what are we doing? You had the bearish divergence. We called it yesterday. We said move to a 20. We did move to a 20 here, near. And then on this 4 hour candle, we just dropped and we were trying to recover that 14.99. Let's look. 332. 3.9. So we do have some hidden bullish here. That could be the reason that we're being propped up still. But again, all of the markets are just looking like they want to move down right now, except for Bitcoin, which is you know, still going higher. Again, some strong, some hidden bullish divergence. That's about it. Neutral at 48.35 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Crypto Boomer, KP3R going to outperform Ethereum. I think only about 200,000 coin supply integrated with Sushi and Jurn Finance. Now it's going to fly. Yeah, dude, I think Sushi was doing good today. Higher, taking a drop again on the bearish divergence that we called out. This was on the 14th at 7 p.m. That means we were live here at 9 p.m. And, you know, where are we at right now on the bearish divergence? We just dropped. Again, finding support here on the last candle. Try to pop, but again, bearishly enough, moving down. Now, do we have something? Yes, we do. And that's something that I kind of expressed that I wanted to get with Bitcoin, or I can't remember some other project. You know, these moves are the ones that I kind of like to sometimes play with, because we know this is a support area. Right now we have some strong bullish divergence developed. I was going to call it against the MACD, but we do have this one island. I'm going to ignore this because it's just one bar. And I'm going to go from here to here and say, look, man, some strong bullish. There's potential for a movement up. Again, there is just this one bar that's just annoying AF, but, you know, that's about it. Other than that, low, lower, negative, probably more negative. 556, and this is 551, so less. Even from here to here, we're going from negative to less negative. So from here and from here to here on the 1 hour, and this is what I'm looking for right now on ADA, right? The potential movement up, maybe to the 20, that 20 being around 15.41 cents, and seeing sold at 37.06 on the RSI. All three of those projects are now integrated, like intermingled. Let's do Crow. Y'all remember Pauly Shore? Whatever happened to him? Is he still alive? Like, he used to make like comedy movies back in like the 80s and 90s, but like, I haven't heard of him from like the longest time. Did he like get banned from Hollywood or something? He used to be like annoying, right? CRO, what's happening with Cro-Magnon coin? Dude, where's Crow? I know we've looked at that recently. I just have so many stocks open towards the end of the chart list that I can't find it. Here it is. Crow to the tether. Groovy. Let's go to Daily Man. Is it the one we're looking at, or is it this the one we're looking at? This is the bot we're looking for. Alright, cool. We had the bullish divergence. We're taking that nice action to the upside, heading for that 20. Finding resistance, rejecting still today. Sold at 39.15. There's really not a lot going on here. High, low, positive was positive. High on their side to a lower point. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, Crypto Boomer, I'm going to get to KP3R. After Crow, there's new, and then that's the coin you requested, right? KP3R. After that, it's Yuma. And then BNT. Right on. So the 4-hour Crow. Oh, creating bearish divergence. Like that, right? Look at that. Low, high. So this is the 4-hour. Wow. Magic 4-hour chart where crazy stuff happens sometimes. And then we're also coming lower here, right? Look at that. Boom, boom. Right, action to the downside. Moving down. Hitting that 20. Trying to find support. Right now, testing it again. Neutral at 52.17. Don't look too strong right now. It looks like we might actually break it down. Well, let's go to the 1-hour chart and see if we have anything there that might give us a better clue. Right on. So, higher. Right, first things first. The bearishness of the situation that we face. We're coming from a high to a lower point. Right, so strong bearish divergence. We also have it against the RSI. On that note, we're looking for a movement to the downside. And what happened? We moved down. That's great, man. Had moved down strong. We're still just trying to hog up to that 20. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. Low to high, negative, less negative, low on there, so to our point. There's really not a lot going on here that is like super bullish. The only bullishness that we have is just very, very short term, and it's on this small move from here to here and from here to here. Alright, that's strong bullish divergence. We got that small pop, but again, failing to go much higher, and then moving down still. So that's it for Crow, dude. Not looking too strong. I'm not sure about this project, man. Like, a lot of the projects are not looking that strong right now. And we're pre-Christmas, so, you know, I do believe that during Christmas, people tend to put their bonuses into, like, you know, investment, if they're smart enough to not spend them all. And that could prop the price of some projects up. However, I also believe that a lot of people might dump because they need cash for something. And hey, crypto could dump on that. So there's two ways of seeing this story. Let's go check out new real quick. Where is the new coin? The new one. Not the old one. The new. New. Where are you? New. Oh, dude, I can't find. New. Here it is. New to the dollar. On the daily. Where are we at? Bouncing between the fibs. That's the name of the song. Rejected the 382. Moved down past the 50. Right? We held support there once. Past the 50. We're bouncing at the 618. We're bouncing at 618 today. Trying to reject that. That's fine. Not a lot happening on the MACD and the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, dude. KP3R starting to look pretty vertical. I'll look at that, man, for sure. Again, bearish divergence, bullish divergence to that pop, rejected 24.97 like we knew we could. Even 26 were wicked, that's fine. Rejection, move to the 20, try to take a bounce and dropping lower. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to our point. Nothing bearish here. Neutral at 37.12. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sorry, sold at 37.12. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we're just bearish, man. Low, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to our point. Nothing bearish there. High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing bearish, dude. Why are we moving down on this project? Why? Someone tell me why. Now, the only thing I'm looking at that I kind of like is this. From here to here, way down there, right? It would be very, very similar as if I just threw a line from here all the way down there and say, look, there's strong bullish divergence. And it's starting to go up with that, right? That could be the reason. We're near, or 0, or 618, yeah. So we're kind of rejecting that area and heading for that 20. It's a nice pump. It's a 5.4% pump. If you're just trading to get at 5% a day, like I said, right. So let me go into KP3R. I'm just finishing new. That's it, dude. I'll come back to new, Andrew, because yeah, 5% gain would be a good exit at the 20, and then just don't care what happens. You earn 5% today. That's great stuff. Let's go check out KP3R, because apparently it's just going ballistics. Now let me find KP3R because I'm not sure where we left it. I know it's on the side of the list. It's not alphabetical. Here it is. KP3R to the BUSD. It's not going high. It is going high on the daily. Oh my god, it's a rocket. It's going to the moon. It's blasting off. There has strong bearish divergence. From here to here. From here to here. Should make a comedy show. Call it Divergence with the Bears. There we are. Again, there's potential for movement down happening there. Yes, it's gone parabolic. That's fine. Probably on the news, on the listing, whatever it's happening with this project. Again, I don't have all the ins and outs of how this is working out. I'll go back to new Andrew because apparently this was kind of like life and death for Boomer. He doesn't want to FOMO in. So it has bearish divergence on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, it does not have that. Wow, that's good. High, higher, positive, more positive in here. What is this? 746, 946, so slightly higher, and then here. Again, this will be a very, very long line to be tracing, particularly because there's a lot of data, and the RSI just considers 9 periods, but from the previous high on the overbought to here, it is that move. So we have strong bearish divergence, and then we don't have anything bullish here for this rally. So it could be that we start to move down there on this bearish divergence, also where we're bought. Indicators of a potential moving down, right? Let's go to the 1 hour and see if we get something better here. On the 1 hour. Coming up here slightly higher, and then coming here slightly lower, and then also coming here slightly lower, right? So strong bearish divergence starting to develop. It's not yet developed because we haven't confirmed it. Movement down would certainly confirm it. But other than that, it looks okay from back here, right? Low, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a hard point. Let's see this one, 78.66, 77, right? So from back here, if you want to look for something bearish, just against the RSI would be a move from here to here, creating strong bearish divergence. Action down, we did move down slightly. Try to take a pop, now created strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Overbought at 73.81, and we could be looking for moving down. But that's what I'm looking for right now. Right, I mean, it's a nice gain. It's a 2.3% gain today already on this candle, on this 1 hour candle, so that's fine. You can take profits on that, right? You could have taken profits here also. I'm not sure when you got in. Is it still gonna go up? I'm not sure. I don't know the project, man. I wish I knew more about the project to be able to give you more informed information, like reviewing it. But if there's right now, just there it has bearish divergence. If I just go on the technicals, it would look like there's a potential for a movement down. But if it has some fundamentals behind it, it could drive the price action to the upside still farther before it actually breaks down, and it could negate that bearish divergence. Just keep that in mind. Again, I'm not looking for, I don't have a mind to look at all the projects here, look at all the news. Yo Buddy now 110, dude. It's a long-term lotto play, dude. You're already 5 times in. I will look into it. Although right now I'm kind of worried that I'm going to be buying in at the end, so it's the only thing I don't like. Imagine selling during finance at 500. Yeah. Imagine buying XRP at 20,000 and then having the massive drop, right? So look, it's fine. I'm not super worried. It did started at, like, you know, it did drop to like 70 bucks. So yeah, if you bought back here, that's fine. You know, 110. You're 5 times in your dough, bro. If, like, I'm not sure where you would be willing to sell or buy more, or, like, I'm not sure what you want to do with this. But if it's gonna drop, unless you're gonna sell only if you want to add more to your position with the same amount of money, which is the only way it makes sense to sell, right? But the uptrend has been strong, and I'm worried that it's due for a small correction. Right? Look at this; it's just gone up over the last couple hours. So since 6 in the morning, it's just like been one move up. So correct a little bit, maybe. It has bearish divergence. It has that technical there for at least to drop back to neutral or bought before it tries to rally again. That's it for KP3. I'm going to go check out Yuma. Or sorry, no. Let's finish new first because we're on the 1 hour new. Oh, Andrew, see that pullback? On rejection of the 20. Yeah, that's not what I'm worried about. Like, every time we're below the 20 and we're going to get to a 20, that's the move, right? That's the play, to a 20, and then see if we reject. Once we reject, we got to wait for another in. Unless we're already in, we could try to see if it's going to play out in the next candle. We could get another shot at it, right? But not liking the way it's rejecting the 20 right now. Mock my words. Over 1K. This is Sparta. Sure, man. Over 1K, it's fine, bro. I mean, I don't have a problem with the project going that high. I might shift some of my XRP earnings into that. I'm not sure, man. I gotta look it up first, though. I gotta understand what they're doing before I actually, like, invest in it. Yuma! What's going on with Yuma? Wow, that is going up. Wow, Andrew, this is going up fast, bro. No joke. 11%. Damn. Did someone light like a firecracker under Yuma's butt or something? Because it's just pumping like crazy, man. Damn, bro. Right on. So, first things, just going flat here. I'm worried about bearish divergence starting to develop. Right. This needs to go higher than this previous high, right? It doesn't have it right now. It just has hidden at some point in time. It's just fluctuating a lot. But if I would be looking at something on the daily, and look, it's just moving too quick. So by the time I finish this, it might not even be there. But this is what I'm looking for, right? It was lower, and then here was higher. So that's hidden bearish. There's a chance for it to come down. Right now, it's slightly lower still, so that is fine. But if it gets higher than here, that's fine. You won't have anything here, but you would have bearish divergence against the MACD, and it would be strong bearish divergence, right? So it's going up really, really quick. Would it be a good in? I'm not sure. Look, it did kind of find support where we were looking for, right, at 7.46, and we just flirted with the area for a little bit before we actually pumped, so that's fine. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, it's taking this massive green bar of 20% in this. It's getting listed on Coinbase Pro. Really? I didn't know this was going to get listed on Coinbase Pro. That's pretty cool. That's the reason of the pump. When does it get listed? That is the $1,000,000 question. When will it get listed? It's already listed, because if it's already listed, I'm not gonna buy it. If it's gonna get listed, it could present a good buy opportunity on account that it could still hype up a little bit more. It's been on Coinbase Pro forever. Oh, okay. Cool, it's not there. It's not gonna get listed. We've gotten false information from the crypto boomer. I'm kidding, bro. Anyways, now we're going ballistic, so we don't have anything to check here, right? Like, we're going higher, right? Everything's green and peachy, man. It's great. Right on. So, we're rejecting that 236, right? On the fibs. That's what I'm looking for, right? From high to low, we're trying to climb back up. So that's fine, you know, we knew this could be a target, right? We've rejected it already once, we're rejecting it again. Am I liking that? No, it's going up too fast, too quick, man. You know, it's just, I'm not sure why. There's something that has to have triggered this. Like, doesn't have anything here on the, like, we did create this strong bullish here, but that's not good enough for the movement that we're getting. This was way back here. We created some kind of bearish afterwards. There's something that has to be driving this up. There's, like, it has to be some kind of news or something that is pumping this, dude. Alright, it's at $8.88, dude. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Look in the 1 hour, right? We're, like, struggling to get above that 746, and all of a sudden we just exploded to the upside and gained like $1 and change. It's insane, dude. At some point in time it must have been higher. So let's see, from here to here, like 27%. That's friggin' insanely cool. High, right? So overbought at 89.21. It's highly overbought. That worries me right now in this new candle, right? 10 p.m. It's starting to reject already. I don't like that. I don't like that on the fact that, you know, it's prone to be a resistance here. If it gets above that 236, it could really just trigger a rally to about 10.42 or even $11. So that could be a good buy on a break above here. So from here to here, that would be a 22% gain. That would be a good rally to go after. But that means that it has to move above this level. Right now, it's gotten rid of that, you know, rejection. Apparently, it was bad data that it got from the exchange. That's fine. Let me go out of here. There we are. Overbought at 86. I'm worried that's overbought, though. It has to cool off. It has to come back down. It went up too high too quick. It has to come back down. But that's it for Yuma. Let's go check out BNT, the Bantam Network. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not sure what BNT is. So many projects out there, man. BNT to dollar and Bitfinex. Why not? Let's go on the daily. Also going up fast. Wow. Yesterday posted 47% gains. What? What the hell is this project doing, man? Is it on crack or something? Dude, it's going up freaking high. Wow, overbought also at 84. So again, not liking that. Higher, more positive, higher nerves. We're not getting any technicals that are valid right now. Let's go to the 4 hours. Also, same stuff, right? It just went up too fast. It's going up too fast. It's going up too fast. It's parabolic. Overbought at 90.26. Really high on that overbought scale, man. I'm like, this should be coming in with a massive crash headache. So just be careful of that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour. We are starting to have that bearish divergence show up. 338, 388. And then here we have the bearish divergence on this last leg. And then maybe from here, let me see, 83.13, 83.85. No, so just on this last part here. Ooh, I'm creating bearish divergence. Oh, shall break you down. I'll strike thee with the mighty sword of bearish divergence, and thou shalt go down. Good night. And look, we're overbought, right? At 76.82. Don't ask me why, purely on speculation, but I feel like we will see a $5 BNT by morning. Nothing to do with technicals, purely market FOMO. However, it's looking to break 2 buckaroos. Yeah, it's at 197, dude. Look, it's highly overbought. It has to pull back down, right? Like, there's people that are actually trading, looking at technicals. So if there's people that have massive positions in here, they're gonna start dumping on unsuspecting passerbys or people, peasants that are standing there. What it's like? Imagine someone like bought here, right, at like 55 cents. You're already 3 times in. You're dough, almost. So it would make sense for someone like sell at $3 or something. It's never been at $5. Talking about $5, it's extremely high. I would be worried about breaking first $3.60 before I actually talk about $5. But let's do this. We can actually do something here that's fun, like Fibit. Let's see, from the high to the new low. We'll take the wicks into account. Yeah, cool. With the wicks, we do get a bounce here, right? We get rejection, right? We get a rejection. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Rejection, and then finally breaking through. I actually rejected here briefly, open above, and then breaking through, and heading for that 50% retrace at $2.05. That is the target, Crypto Boomer, right now. I would say $2.05 would be a good target. That also to the fact that we might have some resistance around that good area. And let's zoom in here. Yeah, it's too choppy, so I wouldn't be too comfortable calling anything on this chart for BNT. It broke it today on Coinbase, I think, or touched it. What? The $2 mark or the $5 area? Because there's gonna be $5 in the morning. So if you talking about 2, that's where you're trading it there. Yeah, Coinbase seems to get those massive spikes, right? Let's look at it on Coinbase. Why not? BNT. It's actually lower right now at $1.86. It's like 10 cents lower than the other exchange. You can actually do like quick trading. I mean, I know the banks are not that fast. I don't have a lot of data here. Week $3 and something at 11 in the morning. So did it just get listed on Coinbase? Yeah, doesn't have a lot of data here. But it's a couple cents off, right? Look, here it's at $1.86. Here it's at $1.97. You can actually buy it here on Coinbase, send it over to this other exchange at Bitfinex, sell it, send your money back to Coinbase, or buy another crypto like something that's fast like XRP. Send it back to Coinbase, buy again BNT 10 cents below, send it back again, and then trade it and just be circling that weird ass stuff. Yeah, I know. I get the wick. Look at the wick. It's wickedly strong. Yeah, I know. Massive pushback down, right? A lot of people got burned on this freaking move. Not good, not pretty. Dude, let's go check some other stuff out. I haven't done RSR. I haven't done DVT. RSR 1.8. Great. Where's XRP at, by the way? XRP at 44.7. It's still dropping. Yes, I exited a good point. Fuck yeah, man. For a second, I was worried that I was gonna go to the 50s again, or above the 50s, but it's not. And this is just still floating here sideways. It's not doing jack, dude. It's just moving down slightly at 1.86 cents. I'm not really gonna get too much into detail. Nothing on the daily, nothing on the 4-hour. We had the bearish divergence. We're moving down. That's fine. Nothing developing here. Low to high, negative plus negative. Low on there, side to a higher point. Neutral at 44.79. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. By the way, if you are looking at this channel and you haven't hit that like, that button, that sub, I'll go to your house, take your keys, and steal all your crypto. So hit that like, that button, that sub. Jesus. High to low, high to low, high to low. Lower, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, side lower point. There's really not a lot going on here, man. It's just freaking boring. RSR, you are deceiving me. I shall take my money from you and send it elsewhere. You bought on Uni before it opened on Coinbase. Sent it over to CV Pro. That's cool. Just liked, already subbed. Sheesh. Thank you, Victor Miller. You are safe, sir. Dude, it's been a hell of a day, man. It's super. I still get some work emails that I gotta finish, dude. It's just freaking annoying. Jeez, man. Let's see if I got the information that I needed, because I've been pushing people for information. Apparently the information has been sent to me. So now it is on my side of the court to craft this magical email that will take a client's words, magically wrap them around on facts, and shove them up their mouth. Down their throat. Welcome, Victor. Yes. That's it for VNT, dude. We did RSR. Let's look at DVT. DVT's also not doing much, so yeah, I'm not like super pumped to look at it. It's just like at 1.7 sats. 1.7 sats. Look, the only thing I like about it right now, and this is just like the only thing that it has going on for it, is that you can buy really quick moves in third day, right? Look at this, dude. It's like not even that. It like doesn't have a lot of volume, but the move from here to here, right? It's a 13% gain. So if you can play it consistently, yeah, that's pretty cool, right? BNT USD THX. Awesome. Well, I already did BNT to the USD. He's doing good. Right on, dude. So what's going on here? First of all, let's actually make this bars or columns. There we are. Sideways, sideways, and higher. So nothing there to help. That's great. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 1 hour just looks too choppy. Sideways, sideways, and sideways. So there's nothing bearish. The only bullishness that we had was here. It's already played to the upside, but it just struggled to get above 1.7 sats. And there's really not a lot of resistance to go off, dude, right? Like the 2.3 is just 2 million, but it's someone placing 1.4 million position here. But other than that, it's a quick run to the upside. Let's go on the daily. What's happening on the daily DVT? Again, not a lot, right? Stuff that we already caught. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Where are you? It's not playing out. That's it. Let's go check something else. The RSR. Let's see how gold and silver did. If you guys have any requests, let me know and put them up in the chat, and we'll look at them. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep on rolling with the show. Oh, look, the bearish divergence, move the price down, trying to recover the bid. That's fine. Getting above the 20. Yeah, neutral at 52.16 on the RSI at $1,857.64. Browns, silver at $24.65. Where do we go? Where we said we would. Haha, the old 1618. Still facing resistance there at 24.67. Nothing happening here, I do believe. Let's see. High, higher, high, lower. Some strong bearish divergence. There you are. There to there and there to there, man. That's it. That's it, bro. Let's go to Dow. The Dow gained 1.3%. What? Yes, very little. 30,199 points. The Dow Live losing points already. That's great. The S&P gaining 47 points, still below the previous high. The London Stock Exchange 132 points, going slightly higher. What? Do we have various divergence? Yes, we do, man. From here to here. And from here to here, man. And from here to here, man. I believe this movement's down, right? There we are. Nikkei, down 44 points. Actually, let me confirm this one on London. I think I just went by too quickly. 60.26. 60.29 is slightly higher. You lied to me, Ice. Do you believe what you see? The Nikkei, high to low, high to low, high to low. Bought at 65.85, losing 44 points. Toronto gaining 119 points, and not doing much. Bought at 63.27. That's it. West Texas at $47.47. Pumped a little bit yesterday, which is fine. Now that just tracks onto there. That tracks onto there, and that just keeps on tracking onto there. We still have strong bearish divergence. Brent oil probably doing the same thing because oil moves similar. It's just different, same qualities that make it worth a little bit more and a little bit less, but the same moves in oil. That's it. That's all we usually look at on this magical world of crypto and stocks and whatever, No, the Bitcoin is rejecting the 19,496 area. We already knew that. 44.8 on XRP? What? What is this sorcery? Why are you not dropping more? I command thee to drop. Look, it's just freaking weak, man, right? This hour is trying to recover, but in the sesh, right? I'm trying to see if I can play a small pump to get a couple percent gains, but you know, like it would be a good pump from here to here, like 2.30, right? A quick turnaround on money, you know, go out like that. I do kind of want to get a peaceful night, so I'm just gonna set up the alert, and if it triggers, I'll come in and take a position and ride it. Now the thing, I liked it when it was back here because the run would have been from here to the 20. And the 20 used to be with that resistance. Right now, it starts to get a little bit more tricky because the position from here, it runs first to the 20 at 2.77, which is still good right now. But as time keeps on progressing, this 20 is going to keep on dropping. Now, at some point, the rewards are going to be are not going to be worth the risk, right? But if it gets above the 20 again, the 3.8% move, that would be very, very nice. For small gains, right? But again, if not tomorrow, I'm still like I'm just thinking about I should move my XRP money into the markets and be able to buy more stocks with it because you know it's just I think I could be turning around quicker there right now, at least for some projects, right? I know there's new projects being listed here, like you know whatever Crypto Boomer mentioned on KP3R and BNT that you know one could go to $5 apparently and the other one to like $1,000. You know, yeah, but those projects, dude, that would be nice if I could catch them at the level that you caught them, right? Like prior to them going listed, prior to them being, you know, like $100, what was it, $110 per coin, you know. If I could find them at those price levels with that outlook, that would be great. But, you know, right now I really need to go and find what's going to get listed on Coinbase. Or, you know, the rumors of stuff that's getting listed on Coinbase. Anyways, Boomer, where are you getting your info for, like, what might be getting listed? Because I'm interested. People watching. That's great. Thank you all for being here. Do you wonder why I invited you all to come in here just at this time to discuss crypto? Find out tomorrow. I say every day you can't catch them all. What? You haven't seen Pokemon? You gotta catch them all, Crypto Boomer. You gotta catch them all. Hey Nav, how's it going, bro? You gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all. I'm gonna be the very best there ever was. That's how it starts, right? There's actually a Twitter bot that tweets listings. Really? Which one? Which one is this magical Twitter bot? Let me know. I wanna follow him. Oh, I forgot to go on Twitter and said that I was live. Oh, snap. And guess what? I also forgot to go here on the stream and said that I was live. I even need... dude, I didn't even put the... Whatever, dude. I already forgot, so let's delete that tweet. Okay. Let's get rid of it. Which bot? Let me know. This bot of magic. How many unicorns does someone have to angel invest? To be considered one of the best investors ever. Wow, that's weird. I should just start being more dickish on Twitter. Might do better, I guess. I'm not sure. Ooh, someone posted a tiny bit of fact. Bitcoin just did something it never done before. It just did not trade below 19,000 for an entire day. That's interesting. Did it? Let's fact check that person. Because I am willing to do that. Let's go daily. Did it really not trade below 19K yesterday? What? For reals? It did not trade below 19K throughout the whole day. The lowest he got was 19,056. The highest 19,100. He did, dude. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty good fact, actually, because he really hasn't. I can check that with the magic of time. And look at that. Last time we were up here, it was a very quick wick, right? And we weren't unable to sustain these levels, like 19,400, right? We just like traded at this level for 4 days, mainly. And this day even was 18,000. He'd opened at 18,800. Or the lowest was 18,800. It did hit a high of 19,199. So yeah, that is a real fact, actually. That is cool, man. Wow, that's awesome. So now a lot, that's part of the reason that I like this. And like I said, we're getting sideways motion, and I'm not worried because if you looked at that back 2017, we just got a couple days, like 4 days at these levels. This year, we got more than that. It's like Christmas. Look at this. Look at how many days we've gotten at this level. I'll take it from here. I'll even give it 2 more days of like crazy, but from here to here, like 26 days at above that 17,700. That is fairly good. That's why I said I'm not worried about Bitcoin until it drops below this area. And actually, my Bitcoin investment is doing so much better than whatever XRP did in the last couple of years. So I'm more happy for Bitcoin than any other investment that I'm holding right now. Well, not true. Not my day trading. My day trading is doing good still. Boomer, dude, what is the bot, bro? Let me know. I want to know. I want to know. Who knows? I want to know. That I know. That I know that you know that I know that you know that I want to know. Though. There we go. Here you go, bro. Send it. Send it, man. Send that freaking bot. Oh, dude. Come on. Here. Yo, go. It's gonna like turn to like rockets and blast all over the place. XRP drop. Come on. I just want this to drop, bro. I just want like get the pain over with. Just freaking drop. I want to go to sleep and not worry about it coming up and touching this alert. It would be so much better XRP if you just get dropped. At least the 39-cent mark. Give me a restful piece, like night sleep, and that's gonna be cool. Whoa. I was discussing with my brother earlier today how many people really just come to Twitter and YouTube in general and overhype things, right? Victor Miller, Crips is not for the restful nights. Sleep, that is dividend investing. Yeah, I know. That's actually a good point. I was talking with my brother about these projects and like how so many people just hype them up, right? It's like, I'm not sure, dude. There's people that are like, talking about XRP at $200, like, dollars or $200,000 at some point in time. It's like ridiculous. It's like, dude, come on, be a realist. If XRP takes like the $3 trillion problem it's trying to solve, it's gonna be worth like a freaking ton of money, man. bull crap. It's gonna buy and sell so fast, and there's so much of it out there that it's not gonna matter. They can just keep on supplying the liquidity. That's why there's billions of it printed or minted. You know, it's I see a lot of people selling hopium, and I hate that, right? I hate that. I hate that people like sell hopium. I hate that people are still like super like they can be bullish. That's fine. But I just hate the fact that people are dishonest with their comments and they try to incentivize people to like keep on buying. Right? It just feels like sometimes they might be paid by Ripple to do that because they're just super bullish. They're like XRP evangelists, right? And that's fine. You can like push a project, but they're super bullish all the time, all the freaking time. Nav, I definitely got out within a day after a snapshot. Owners keep on dumping it too. Yeah, dude. Look, for me it was weird because snapshot happened, and in my exchange it dumped an hour before the snapshot. It dumped here at 5 p.m. The snapshot was at 6, and then I didn't exit. I did believe we were gonna recover. I was dumb enough to believe we were going to recover. I could have exited here at 54 and have saved all this dough to buy back in lower. And I would have saved a 16% drop. But that's fine. I'm okay with it. I'm still taking profit, so it's all good. Still have profit in my XRP. Let's talk about having the XRP coins like they did with the Stellar. Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen, though. My brother also discussed that, and we were talking about it, and I said, like, it's not going to happen, dude. First of all, Ripple would have to burn half of what they have on escrow. Second of all, who would burn it? How many votes do you need to get for that to happen? How are you going to vote on this, right? Like, wishing and doing are two different things. I don't think they're going to do it. They're going to need it to provide that liquidity that they want for the projects, right? Wouldn't that be however much they're holding? I'll check out your link. Thanks, Barry. Victor, it's weird to let you actually post the link, because weird. Usually only admins are allowed to post links, but that's cool. Kusama might get redenominated. That's interesting. Ripple CTO says community could force the company to burn 48 billion XRP on December the 4th. Ripple could be forced to burn CRs if the community votes for it. The company CTO. Yeah, how do you vote on it though, right? And that means that everyone has to vote on it, like over half. And there's gonna be like the XRP bulls that are gonna, like the evangelists are gonna say, don't burn it, man, because they're gonna need it for their liquidity, man. They're gonna need it so they can provide it to the other people that are out there in the banks. Otherwise, the project's gonna die. You cannot burn it. It was designed like that for a reason. Yeah, I can already hear them complaining in the back of my head and on Twitter. Right, like the XRP ledger amendments require 80% approval. A lot of people are not gonna vote for it. I like this from November the 8th. Too bad XRP is decentralized, or someone could just burn half the supply and raise the price to 29 cents. And then Jet says, what the hell are you talking about? Ripple LS can burn half of the XRP supply. So, and then apparently, he's coming out today and saying, or sooner, and saying this stuff, right? So, they contradict him. He's contradicting himself, right? David Schwartz. The Schwartz is strong with him. Yeah. He looks sketchy, though. Schwartz could be done, explaining that it would have to be through a non-traditional method like the tokens are fees or sending it to an account that could never be accessed. Right? Yeah, I've heard about that. Yeah. I like, It's fine. Ah, it worked it already. Steve, no, too bad they don't need XRP coin for the protocol to work. That's the Ripple scam is brilliant. Yeah, I know, dude. Right? The blockchain part does not need the crypto part to work. That's the beauty of it. The coin burn for Stella is useless. Yeah, I know. It did raise the price 2 cents. They burned when they burned it was like 6 cents. It did go to like 8 cents, and then it didn't do much after. The best thing that could happen is for Ripple to just like get out of the picture. Sell all the holdings that they have on escrow, get rid of it, and have the people actually hold it, and then they don't need it, right? And if they need it, they can buy it from the people and supply it as liquidity as they need, right? Buy and sell XRP, but buying it from the people thus raising the price. Otherwise, they can just keep on dumping on the market. It's just it's gonna take a while for XRP to actually do something interesting, I guess, right? Maybe get another pump to 75 cents would be nice. I'll be in for that, right? So for me, like an entry, like I said, right, getting above this level would be a good entry here. I'm just watchful. But again, I really hope that this tanks, bro. I hope I wake up and it's like at 30 cents, 25 cents. I'm gonna be like so happy. I know that a lot of people are gonna get screwed. I mean, I'm gonna feel bad for them, but I'll be really happy because I can buy in at a lower price. The cover for Stellar is useless. They'll have to face it out. They used it to raise money. That's not a security. Yeah, I know. They used to raise money to pay their salaries. They've used it to buy out projects, right? They give funding in XRP to projects. What do you think those projects do with that XRP once they give them to them? They're going to turn it into cash so they can pay the developers, right? So, like XRP, we're not... we're not buying that company. We're just giving XRP for them to start up. Oh, but we're taking a huge ass participation because we're actually giving like the equivalent of cash in a different money and a different coin, and we're taking controlling interest sometime on this project. It's just it's just a weird way how they're doing it because they're not doing them cash, but those companies that get the XRP, they can turn into cash to pay the developers. So if someone gives you like $1 million in XRP just to develop something, that's just whatever, man. There's a link out here again. Just about having the XRP coins like they did with stuff. That's already happened. What? Here we go. Low prices are sell to buy it. Yeah. Dudes. Boomer, dude, I didn't get the name of the Twitter thinger that you said. It didn't show up, so that's okay, though. You just said... So, what did we say? Here you go, bro. And it didn't show up on the stream. Sorry, man. I'd cash it out ASAP. Yeah, and what do you think all those people do, man? There's probably something in the clauses that they cannot just, dump in the market, right? Sorry for the swass. Yeah, no worries. There's probably something that says they cannot sell it the market. All of it. They probably have to dosify it or sell it out slowly. And that's what I'm betting that some of these companies, right, like they're able to do stuff with it. You posted it. It didn't show, man. Probably the bot. Can you send it on the Discord? I'm not sure if you have a Discord, but if you have a Discord, can you post it there? If not, just type out the name, dude, and I'll check it out. It was like Bankera in 2017 ICO. Bought a bank with the money and then just do whatever they want with it while making it in exchange to keep investors happy. Yeah. Look, that's what XRP is doing, right? They're giving money to all these companies for them to start up. They're doing it in the XRP, right? Because we don't have cash. We're going to have to pay you with XRP because it's worth something, right? We've made it out of thin air. Or it was made out of thin air, but it's worth something. It's worth 25 cents a coin. So I'm going to give you so many coins that are going to be worth millions to you so you can operate. And I'm just going to own half of your company because I gave you funny money. And we complain about the Fed, right? But these companies, a lot of these crypto companies that pay crypto or buy stuff with crypto just based on what it's worth on exchange, right? With no fundamental value behind it sometimes. It's just some of those things that, it makes it weird, right? Because, yeah, XRP is worth whatever people are willing to buy and sell it at. But, if they give you, let's say you and I, or all of us get together and we make a coin and we call it, crappy coin, and then all of a sudden, crappy coin goes to $1, and we own all the supply, and we tell like some people, look, I'm gonna give you like crappy coin, and you're gonna give me like 50% of your company because I'm gonna invest on you, and you know, you're gonna just not sell it all at the same time because you're gonna crash the market, but you know, it has like a 20 million coin supply. I just give you like a you know, a huge percentage of the like, you know, the money that we have, and you know, crappy coin all of a sudden it's buying companies with money that didn't exist before, right? It's just like, you know, it's a little bit weird how this is working out. And I do believe that, you know, I'm not gonna call it a scam, but I do believe what they're doing is not. I wouldn't agree with it 100%, right? Like, they should not be allowed to like give funding as crypto to other projects. They should be forced to give money for the project. That should come into a law that says that, right? That's cool, man. I'm following the bot now. Thank you, Boomer. Satoshis are the smallest portion of crappy coin. Shitoshis, yeah, I got it. Nah, we should make a crappy coin. Just call it that, crappy coin. Have the little like turd emoji be like the coin emoji. Probably it's still pretty out there. Probably, who knows? I'm following that bot. Now I've also hit the alerts because I want to know. I want to know when shit's gonna happen, man. We detected that Vay has been listed on Coinbase 6 hours ago. Wow, it's not saying it prior though, right? We detected that Syntax Network has been listed on Coinbase. Dude, Boomer, is there any way to get the bot to show the listings prior? Each coin is 1 square of toilet paper in reserve. Yeah, it's gonna be hilarious. Like, dude, Boomer, I think they're already. You think that's already? Yeah. This just tells you when they have been listed, not prior to listing, though, right? So, like, you still gotta get, like, getting them before. That would be really cool. We detected that Golem has been listed on Binance. What? Really? I wonder if that pumped the price. I have a friend that holds Golem. I wonder if that pumped Golem price. Let's check that out. GLM. He's been holding Golem for the longest time. I just want to see where it went to after it got listed. So it got listed on the 9th, so I'm going to bet that it was here. Yeah, the 9th. Let's go on the daily. Let's look at the 9th. That would be this massive day with the large wick. Yeah, somewhere around here it got listed. It rocked. Like the Golem that it is. Get rid of that. It says it's listed before trading begins. Alright. But does that give you enough time to buy like at a lower price before it actually starts to like go insanely high, insanely quick? I want to have to find like exchanges that hold all these like small coins. By the way, guys, dudes, that's gonna be it for today, dude. I've been live for like longer than I was expecting. I do have to get some work done. It was fun to like, you know, shoot the shit going with you, talk about crypto, and have this like really cool chat today. It was super fun stream. For me, it was a super fun stream. Thanks for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. Those little things are gonna pop up. Also, if you want to keep on talking with me, you can join me on Twitter and on Discord. Links are in the description. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Again, a pleasure being here with you guys. I hope you found the content educational and entertaining. And if you did, catch me again tomorrow for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Victor, thank you for being here. Steve, thank you for being here. Crypto Boomer, thank you for being here. Andrew, thank you for being here. Jake, I know you're probably lurking. I'm not sure, but if you're here, thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching and subscribing and being awesome supporters with your time. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Until then.